Welcome to another Burgundy and Gold conversation. I can't say on this wonderful Sunday because, as you already know, Hurricane Helene came through, and I'm gonna show y'all some of the effects of what she did to our city. The mayor has declared a state of emergency. And she just walking out my front door. Some of the effects, look, falling trees. We've been without gas. Been without power since Thursday. Falling trees everywhere. People started looting. Just seen a post on Facebook where people been going in on even the car lots and getting tires off brand new trucks and stuff. Look, can't even make it through my back gate. It's a tree this close to my patio. Barely missed the tree leaning up against my patio glass. So y'all keep Augusta in y'all prayer. Really, today is not all about football. No damage to the cars. Can't find any gas. My wife stood in line 6 hours yesterday trying to get gas. So, as far as the Washington Commanders facing the Arizona Cardinals today, we're gonna need some help from our defensive ends today. I hope I see Dante Fowler and Dorrance on string Dante Fowler sighting today. We're gonna need them to contain Kyler Murray, keep him in the pocket, keep him from having a big day against us today. And it's kind of hard to talk about football. With this, it gets kind of hard, man. But I see Georgia Bulldogs got whipped last night by Alabama. But maybe I'll do a video a little later on, because it's kind of hard to be in the football spirit when the city's been considered a natural disaster. But y'all keep us in your prayers here in Augusta, Georgia. Thanks.